Here we have a 69 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the shadow black exterior paintwork. You'll also find we have the Raptor style front grille, the tinted headlights. There's a look at that front end looking nice and aggressive. Round to the passenger side you'll find the wide arches. We do also have the 18-inch alloy wheels, side steps running along the bottom. You'll then find the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. The roof rails up top. You also have the rear canopy cover. It's currently open. We do have the Raptor style stickers as well on the sides. Front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a rear reversing camera. Got the tinted tail lights at the rear, tow bar as well at the bottom. And then back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, have a look inside of the back first. You can see got the leather seats inside of here, the orange stitching, foldable armrests and also fixed ISO points back here. We do have the electric windows on the doors, same leather seats for the front with the Wildtrak logo embroidered on each one. Both front seats are heated and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable. You do have the grab handles just here making it easy to get in. You then find the electric mirrors. We also have the automatic lights down there. Take a seat inside. Digital screens either side of the dashboard. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle starts up. Now we do have the volume buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity buttons as well. We have then the lane assist on that stalk just there. Dashboard is free from any warning lights. We can show it different displays on each screen. So you can see on the left we've got the entertainment, we've got the navigation and the phone connectivity, and on the right you can have other bits of information just here as well. Main infotainment screen, if that's flickering it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. You see it's currently showing the sat nav, but if we go on to the home you'll find all the other options which you would have seen all on the photos. Wait for it to load up. You can see we've got the audio options for the DAB Bluetooth audio. We also have the FM and AM radio stations as well. Climate control just here, but we do also have the physical buttons down here so you can quickly access it. Turn on AC, got heated seats and also the heated windscreen. We do have the phone connectivity, got the mobile apps, and if you go on to settings you'll also find a range of other options just there which you can scroll through. Automatic gearbox, if you put it into reverse you'll find the reverse camera and also parking sensors in the top right. Back into park, and that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out their website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger Wildtrak EcoBlue. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm at the 5 steering to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel in front of us, which has the phone connectivity and also volume buttons here on the left. We do also have the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the right. Now we are coming up to a junction, so we're slowing down. Right indicator on now, and there's a few cars that are coming, so I'm just going to wait for these to go past. And then we're going to turn right, now continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You can also change the gears manually with the buttons just here on the gear selector. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have plenty more features as well throughout the interior. We've got the leather seats for example, which are really comfortable, you can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle. Still get out fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. You'll also find the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty more features on there. You'll have seen all on the photos. And just below there we have the buttons for the climate control. You'll also find the ice-cold air conditioning, which is perfect for the hot summer days. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so again right indicator on. Then we're going to slow down as we approach the turn. Make sure there's no cars coming, so it's safe to turn right. And again, turning right now, continuing on our way, getting up to speed, going through the gears nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. also have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings as well. And we are just approaching the dealership here. We're coming up to the bend, so we're going to take it nice and steady as we come around the bend. Slow down, left indicator on, and then we're going to turn left onto the dealership. And I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions, along with when someone inquires of you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.